Alright, this is me, what's called candling the egg with a flashlight so I can see in there. And if you look carefully, there's a duckling moving inside of the egg. Stay tuned to Functional Rustic for Functional Rustic Muscovy ducklings. Oh my gosh, she's got 12 of them, and every egg I've looked at so far appears to have a duck moving around in there. Well, these are Amelia Air Duck's eggs. I'm a little concerned because she put them in a box, and so when they hatch, if I'm not here to help her out, there will be no way to feed them or give them any water. Stay tuned to Functional Rustic for Muscovy ducklings and everything else that Functional Rustic has to offer. See more at functionalrustic.com.